miss today's deal on a skincare line uniquely designed to treat uneven skin tone. Shea Beauty is skincare made with melanin in mind. If you suffer from dark spots or fine lines, the best way to treat these issues is with Shea Beauty's Brightening Serum. It's packed with vitamin C, green tea, and kojic acid to help brighten, smooth, and repair your skin. And the Reset Luxe Night Cream is gentle enough to use while you sleep. It helps brighten, firm, and boost uneven skin tone. Trust me, you'll wake up glowing. The TamFam deal on Shea Beauty is up to 42% off. Go to tamfamdeals.com.